Dear student, today we will see how to calculate t-test using Excel. There is a one problem that a company wants to test two drugs, the drug A and drug B. Drug A is an imported one and drug B is an indigenous drug. And for the same, they have collected the sample and they want to see whether which drug is more efficient in treating. So the data is, let's say there is a drug A and drug B. For this, they have collected the data from certain patient. So, how much weight they have reduced after consumption of these medicine. So, for the data for drug A is 12 kg, 14 kg, 15, 13, and 16. So, for drug A, the company has collected data from 5 respondents, and for drug B, they have collected data from 7 and they have lost weight such as 10 kg, 11, 14, 16, 17, 12 and 11. So we have this data and we have to calculate the t-test. So there is a way to calculate t-test. So what we will do, we will click on data and then we will have a data analysis under the analysis tool. It will open a dialog box. Then we have to select the options from these given one. So what we will do, these are two independent sample. So we will see there is a two sample as t-test, two sample assuming equal variance. We will click OK, and then it is asking for input variable range 1 and range 2. So we will provide the range. So we will select with the title also. Then we will provide the input for the range number 2. So we have provided. Now we have to click on label so that this label drug A and drug B will come into your output sheet. Now it is asking where we want to the output range. So for output range we will click, and let's say I want to have this output here only. So I will click this and then we will click OK. So this will give the difference. So just now we can see that the mean of drug A is 14 and drug B is 13. The variance is 2.5 and 7.33 respective. These are the number of observation from drug A is 5 and from drug B is it's 7. The pooled variance is 5.4. Hypothesized mean difference we have considered as a 0 and the degree of freedom is 10. The value of t statistic is 0.7349. And if you see the t-tail value, it is 0.479. So this value, if you see this, the value of t is greater than 0.05. So this is the way, since it is greater than 0.05, then we reject the null hypothesis. So it means there is no significant difference between the efficacy of drug A and drug B. So this is how we carry out t-test, or various kind of statistical tests can be carried out using data analysis tool pack. And just let me see what are the various data analysis we can carry out using this analysis. So you can carry out various kind of statistical data analysis. It may be ANOVA single factor, ANOVA two factor with replication, ANOVA two factor without replication, correlation, covariance, descriptive statistic, exponential smoothing, and F-test, moving average, T-test, G-test. So there are a number of options available within the tool pack which we can easily do without the use of another SPSS or other software. So in subsequent lecture we will deal with a different type of data analysis. So thank you so much